How to find someone on Viber. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. Today I'll let you guys know the ways to locate contact on Viber. In order to find contact on Viber, you could use the search feature, open the call app and type in their name, or else you could also check if the contact is online by looking at the profile page. So for that, you open up a Viber application, and after which you're logged into your account. That's going to take you to the home page. So here you could see at the top of the page there is this magnifying glass icon. Press that. As soon as you do that, try typing in their name that you've saved in. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in this. So you could see this contact is right over here. So I just need to go ahead and tap on it, and I'll be directed to their contact or chat page. So I can go ahead and type in their message as well. Now if the other person has your contact info, then he or she can also add you by their username or by your username. So likewise, if you want to go ahead and look for some other person, then you could go to the search box, or you could just find it here, or you could just go to the more button, or else you could just go ahead and tap on the secure messages, and here you could find out the person that you're looking for. So this is one way of actually finding someone on Viber. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.